Hi guys, and happy Halloween. Today I'm excited to share a few really super simple recipes, fun Halloween treats that you can make literally last minute because it is right now. It is Mischief Night, All Hallows Eve, the day before Halloween. So I hope that you guys enjoy these quick and easy recipes, and I think they'll be lots of fun for you to have on Halloween or to bring to a Halloween party or however you're celebrating this year. It's just something super quick and easy, things that you can make on the fly. So, on the fly, get it? Didn't even realize what I was saying. All right, I hope that you guys all have a really fun Halloween, and I hope that you enjoy these recipes. Okay, so the first Halloween treat that we're gonna make is going to be super simple. I just have the Betty Crocker sugar cookie mix, and all that you need with this, if you're going to do cutout cookies, which is what we're going to be doing, is you need 1 stick of butter softened and 1 egg, and we're going to mix this with that. And then once we make the cookie dough, we're going to roll it out, cut out some ghosts, and then once it cools down, we're going to use this cookie icing, which is already in a bag, so super simple. I can just squeeze it on the ghosts and ice it with that. And then I also found this, which is icing writer decorating tube, so I want to make the eyes and the mouth with that. So we only have 3 products here, and it's going to make everything so much easier, and that is going to be our first Halloween treat. So it's necessary to knead this dough because it's going to be really dry and crumbly. So you're really going to have to work it. And then it should hopefully be okay for cookie cutter cookies. So I let the icing harden overnight, and I have to say this icing really hardened very nicely. So now I'm going to make little ghost faces on them. So if you're looking for an even easier way to make cookies, you can pick up these white fudge covered Oreos. I think they're a limited edition, and they're just basically these little white circles, so you have a blank canvas to work with. And I am making skeleton faces inspired by Jack Skellington, and I'm just kind of playing around with different faces to see which I like the best, but super easy. All you need is literally this black gel pen and some of these white cookies. You can decorate them up for Halloween, and you really can't get much easier than that. Okay, so these guys are done. I think they came out pretty cute. The only thing is you need to make sure you give yourself enough time for things to dry because you can see they smear very easily. So I'm gonna let these dry for a few hours, and I think they came out really cool. Our next recipe is something that somebody once brought to one of my Halloween parties, and it was my favorite treat that we had all night long. It was just the best thing ever. So basically all you're going to do is lay out a bunch of pretzels on a cookie sheet, and then you place a Rolo on the pretzel. I'm gonna put it in the oven on 325 just for like a few minutes until the chocolate really softens. And then you pop an M&M in the middle, and it is so good. Crowd pleaser for sure, and I definitely think that it would go over really well at any party or any event that you have that you're going to for this Halloween. Our next recipe is going to be brownie cupcakes, but we're changing up the recipe a little bit. It's not the same as the directions on the box because I'm making it a little bit healthier. So basically you're going to use a regular container of brownie mix, and with it you're going to mix a half cup of water, 2 egg whites, and applesauce. How much applesauce?
Half cup.
And a half cup of applesauce. And then instead of icing, we're going to be putting some light Cool Whip on top with a candy corn, and it's going to be super cute. So here we go. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. Let me know in the comments below what you love to make for Halloween, if you have a special treat that you like to share every year. And have a wonderful Halloween. I'll see you real soon. Bye.